Just wanted to shoot you this quick video because I actually wanted to ask you a question, or actually put a question to you. Why is it that most people fail to make money online? The main reason is they find it hard to recruit, they don't know where to even find the leads, and they can't turn those leads into sales. So they can't build a list. So I found a little program that I joined yesterday where it actually pays you to build a list. And I've already made some funds inside it. So I just want to show you what I've made and to show you the system. Okay, so this is the system. And as you can see, I've got 11 referrals. I've actually made £275 and I've now got 262 people on my list. And that, that in itself is fantastic in 24 hours. So if you'd like to get into this program, you can either PM me, or somewhere at the bottom of this video, you'll find a place where you can put your email and your name, and I'll get back to you. So I'll see you in another video.